Versa-Matic, our mission is to make pumping easy. But what does easy really mean? To us, it means simplifying the process from product selection to installation and beyond. Speed, reliability, ease of use, technical expertise, and digital tools give you all the peace of mind you need to keep your system running as efficiently as possible while limiting downtime throughout the life of your pump. When you partner with Versa-Matic, you can expect short lead times and on-time delivery. Our highly efficient factory operations, as well as our local stocking distributors, get you what you need faster than other AODD pump manufacturers. Standard lead times on diaphragm pumps are 5 working days or less, while parts just 2 to 3. Need a pump right now? Our Quick Ship program guarantees 12 of our most popular AODD pump models available to ship next business day in quantities up to 3 at no additional fee. Speed goes beyond just being able to get the product to market as quickly as possible. We have an expert technical support team readily available to answer your pumping questions by phone, online, or even in person, getting you the answers you need. Versa-Matic AODD pumps are capable of providing years of dependable, consistent service to reduce downtime and keep your process running at maximum efficiency and profitability. All of our pumps are 100% tested before they leave our factory. In addition, our performance and endurance testing standards exceed industry norms. Our pumps are known as set it and forget it pumps because of how easy they are to operate. AODD pumps run off compressed air. Once plumbed into the system and connected to a compressed air line, they are immediately ready for use. These plug-and-play pumps are also popular because of their portability, easy installation, and ease of maintenance. Chances are you're going to need support before and after purchasing a pump. We understand that, which is why you have technical specialists who can help size and select your pump, ask questions that zero in on your application requirements so you get the right pump the first time, and assist with any issues you encounter after your pump has been installed. Whether you're seeking a new pump or need replacement parts or accessories, our decades of innovation and engineering expertise give you industry-leading durability and performance. We offer a number of digital tools to help you find your ideal pump. Our innovative pump selection tool is easy to use and designed to help you choose the right AODD pump for your application. You can also find detailed information about your Versa-Matic AODD pumps wherever you are by using the Versa-Matic mobile app. By simply scanning your pump's QR code, you can conveniently access information about your pump and much more. When you purchase a Versa-Matic pump, you're getting so much more than just an AODD pump. You're getting the support from a team of experts throughout the process. At Versa-Matic, we're committed to making pumping easy, both now and in the future.